Dave, nasa isang tripod? Yung pang-reels lang? Yung pang-reels? Ewan ko. Yung pang-reels lang. Eh, hindi makakabit ang inabit-abit. Istin niyo muna dito.
Hello, good morning everyone. I am John Patrick Opogay. Criminal Justice Education.
A pleasant morning, everyone. I am Gabriel Rosal, 18, representing College of Criminal Justice Education.
Bridera Elefante, 19, representing College of Excellency, City!
Good morning, everyone. I am Shalina Bonfilis, 21, from College of Teacher Education.
Saxeno, 20 from the College of Excellency, College of Teacher Education.
A pleasant morning, everyone. I am Jean Berlin and Paloma, 21, from the College of Teacher Education.
90, representing the world where technology dominates, College of Computer Studies!
Pleasant morning, everyone. My name is Catherine J. Alcardo, 21, representing the College of Computer Studies. Eunice Jelly Laza, 21, represent.
Again, ladies and gentlemen, presenting your candidates for this year's CMU Live. Let us give them a big round of applause. Alright. CMU would like to thank our partners. Xiaoqing. We have their booth over there. Palakpakan natin ang ating partners. Xiaoqing. We have PNB, Philippine National Bank. And of course, St. Peter Chapels. Who are our judges for the sportswear competition? Let me introduce to you judge number 1. He is the cultural arts coordinator, a professor of PathFit, loved by all his students. Judge number 1, Professor Prime Shata. Introducing our judge number 2. She is our budget officer, Professor Rich Eliza C. Fulgencio. And judge number 3. Hindi lahat ng kalbo masamang tao. Yung iba, mapagmahal. He is our Sports and Development Coordinator, Professor Jesper Perez. Once again, the judges for the CMU Ambassador and Ambassadress of Goodwill Sportswear Attire. Let us give them a big round of applause, candidates and judges.
Dahan-dahan lang. Tama na. Okay ba?
Once again, your candidates, CMU Ambassador and Ambassadress of Goodwill. identifying our sponsors and partners for this morning or for this week, we have Chongqing, Philippine National Band, and St. Peter Chapels. And now, before we continue, or before I announce the expected events during the Foundation Week, let us hear from one of our partners from Pag-ibig. May I call on Ms. Maria Angelica Padua, the Marketing and Customer Support Assistance of the Pag-ibig Fund Malabon. She is here to discuss Pag-ibig 1 Plus 1 promo and virtual Pag-ibig. Let's give her a round of applause.
Hello po! Good morning po! So, ang init po, no? So, bibigyan ko muna po yung excitement ninyo. So, ako nga po pala si Maria Angelica Padua from Marketing Sales Division ng Pag-ibig Fund Malabon Branch. So, kasama ko po dito si Sir Aris de Guzman and si Ma'am Catherine Village. And of course, yung apat po naming trainees, no? So, kung hindi niyo po na itatanong or kahit hindi niyo po tanongin, graduate din po ako ng City of Malabon University way back 2016. Imagine, 2016. Ilan taon kaya ako ngayon? Anyway, so, lahat po ba may pag-ibig na? Lahat ba may pag-ibig na? So, sa mga walang pag-ibig, bibigyan po namin kayo ng pag-ibig. So, itong pag-ibig po na ino-offer namin, ito po ay hindi nawawala. So, in times of emergency, laging nasa tabi ko. So, ang Pag-ibig Fund po, so, sa mga estudyante na wala na mga pag-ibig, no? So, nandito po kami sa ERC 101. So, isa po ito sa requirements pag nag-a-apply po kayo ng trabaho. So, mas maganda po na hanggang maaga pa, hanggang hindi pa po tayo nakaka-graduate. So, maganda makapag-register po tayo ng ating mga pag-ibig. So, lapit lang po tayo sa ERC 101. Doon po yung room namin. So, ang ipopromote ko lang po sa inyo yung ating Pag-ibig 1 plus 1. So, ano nga po ba yung 1 plus 1? So, in short, opo. So, yes, opo. So, ang 1 plus 1 is ito po yung initiative ni Pag-ibig Fund. Siyempre, with the help of active Pag-ibig Fund members na maghikayat ng mga individual players o yung mga new members natin or mga reactivate na mga members ng Pag-ibig Fund na magpa-register kay Pag-ibig Fund dahil pwede po tayo manalo ng 500,000 pesos. So, hindi po ba excited? 500,000 pesos. So, paano nga po ba sumali sa ating Opo? So, andito po kami sa ERC 101. So, una-una, of course, kailangan member po tayo ng Pag-ibig Fund. Kailangan lang po natin mag-fill out ng ating MDF. So, IDs lang naman po ang kailangan dyan. And then, pag member na po tayo ng Pag-ibig Fund, nagkaroon po tayo ng Pag-ibig PIN number, pwede na po tayo maghulog ng ating contribution. So, magkano po ba ang ating contribution kay Pag-ibig Fund? So, magkano po ba? So, 200 pesos lang po ang ating contribution. So, sa mga students po na 18 and above, pwede na po kayo magpa-member kay Pag-ibig Fund at pwede na rin po kayo maghulog ng inyong contribution. So, sa dress, no, na isang colleges na may button. So, pwede pong gamitin ng ating loyalty card plus for points. Pwede din gamitin ng points for pambili ng gas. So, yun po ang ating loyalty card plus. So, hindi ko na po matatagalin ang discussion ko. So, maraming salamat na po pala sa faculties. And of course, sa mga CME students sa pag-invite sa amin dito. So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you po, Miss Marian Angelica. And now, hindi pa tayo tapos. Bakit nawawala pong estudyante dito sa gitna? Nagbihis na ba kayo? Di pa? Okay. Di pa tayo tapos. And now, may I call in front for the oath of sportsmanship. Meron tayong games ngayon. Tama ba? Coach Perry, meron tayong games ngayon, di ba? Meron. May I call on all athletes, field demo participants, yung mga nagbihis na, baba na dito, yung mga music nyo, pakibigay na sa sound booth natin sa tapat ng kantin para dire-diretso na tayo mamaya. Class representatives, kindly please provide a copy of your performance music to our sound booth. Everybody. The oath of sportsmanship is an oath taken by athletes in order to abide by the rules of sportsmanship in any sport. To give us or to lead us in the oath of sportsmanship, may I call on Patrick Villegas. He is the chess bronze medalist in the recent LCUAA National Games 2024. All athletes assemble in front for the oath of sportsmanship. Athletes, again, field demo participants, class reps, pakibigay po ang kopya ng inyong tugtog na gagamitin sa ating sound booth dito sa harap ng kantin. Thank you. All athletes on the ground.
All students, please stand up. Iwala ko po dyan sa hindi naaarawan. Ulitin to. Kailangan ka pa bang paulit-ulitin to?
So, good morning everyone. For the players who participated in our 31st Foundation Day CNTF Malabon University, raise your right hand. We will take an oath of sportsmanship. Then repeat after me po pag sinabi. City of Malabon University do hereby declare that we are amateur. We will treat all athletic opponents as guests and honor them as friends. We will accept all decisions of the officials without question. We will seek to win by fair and lawful means in accordance with the rules, and we will love the game for its own sake and not for what winning may bring. We will win without boasting and lose without excuses. To all is pledged in the spirit of true sportsmanship. So help us God. Thank you.
Thank you, Patrick. And now, for the lighting of the torch, for the intramurals. By the way, for this week's 31st founding anniversary, we have here the sequence of events that will happen for this week. Pakitingnan na lang po yung tarp. And now, for the lighting of torch, Miss Revelyn Redulia, long jump gold medalist of the ELCOA National Games 2024. For the ceremonial lighting of the torch. Good luck to all who will participate in the intramurals later on at 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. And now, may I request everyone to please stack the chairs. Pakistack na yung upuan because we will proceed to the field demonstration. You have 15 minutes to prepare. Order of sequence of presentation will be 1950s, 1960s, 70s, 80s, 90s, and year 2000. Class representatives, kindly secure a copy or kindly give a copy of your music to our sound booth here near the canteen.
Sorry. Kanino ko ito to?
At ayan na nga, inumpisahan ang selebrasyon ng 31st founding anniversary sa Misa. Hanggang nagparada tayo at bumalik tayo dito at dumating ang mga officials with niresent ng mga candidates ng Ambassador and Ambassadors of Goodwill 2025 ang kanilang mga sports wear. At ngayon, formal nang binuksan ang selebrasyon ng 31st founding anniversary ng City of Malabon University na may temang CMU at 31, continuing the legacy of excellence and innovation, shaping minds and building communities. At mamaya magbabalik tayo para sa competition ng field demo. Muli, ako si Nico Sayong Fernandez, konektado para sa kabataang Malabueño.